Hey, Chef Colin Roche here, and just wanted to show you my mango tree. You can see the mangoes are plump and juicy, almost ripe. I need about probably another couple of weeks and they're going to be dropping from the tree, and I'm going to have to make a bunch of videos. Maybe I'll make one on how to cut a mango, and then I'll make a couple other ones, maybe a savory and something sweet. But look at this tree. I mean, can you see it up there? It's just packed with mangoes. Let's get a closer look at one right here. You can see this one here pretty good. See how big they are? Look up here. Yeah, it's just loaded, the tree. You can see another one right here. See them? They're just loaded up here. So that's really good. This is the time of the year, June, July, and August in Florida, that we get these mango trees. So stay tuned. I'll have a videos before you know it. Bye-bye now.